Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make blocks follow you in Minecraft step by step. Start by placing a command block and configure it to summon an invisible marker near the player. Next, add a scoreboard objective and tag the marker for tracking. Finally, set repeating commands to teleport the marker relative to the player so blocks can be attached and follow smoothly. In this video, I will show how to make blocks follow you in Minecraft step by step. Learn the key commands. Use /summon for the marker, set up a scoreboard objective, and apply repeating /TP commands. Configure the offsets so the marker stays at the desired distance and height. Test in a small area, adjust coordinates for smooth movement, and lock the command block chain when everything behaves as expected. In this video, I will show how to make blocks follow you in Minecraft step by step. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading build guides and Minecraft lore on the go, and it pairs nicely with long creative sessions. If you found this useful, please subscribe and like, then check the description for the link and extra deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make blocks follow you in Minecraft step by step. Attach blocks by placing them relative to the marker using /setBlock or by summoning falling block entities for smoother motion. For groups, use an armor stand with passengers and update passenger positions with commands. Tweak heights and delays to avoid clipping and keep performance low by limiting update frequency in large builds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.